Are you thinking about creating an e-commerce store? Well, today we're having a look at Shopify. We're also having a look at Shopware. We're going to put them head to head and see which one you should actually invest your time and your money in. So let's dive in. All right, we're looking at Shopify now, and Shopify is a classic. Let's have a look what they have to offer. So first of all, a very intuitive store builder. If you've ever jumped into Shopify, you'll know that you could pretty much do anything quickly and easily because they have a drag and drop interface, which empowers you to create professional online storefronts without writing a single line of code. The visual editor lets you see changes in real time as you're actually building. They have a theme marketplace, so you can choose from hundreds of professionally designed mobile responsive themes, and they each offer various styles that can be fully customized to match your brand's identity as well as your product needs. You can extend your store's functionality with over 8,000 apps from the Shopify App Store, covering anything from inventory management to marketing automation and customer support, and literally everything in between. They also have fantastic commerce and marketing tools, so they have payment and checkouts. You can accept more than 100 payment methods with their built-in fraud analysis and secure checkout. It also includes automatic shipping rate calculations and tax compliance tools that streamline the purchase process, making it easy for your customers to make purchases from your business. You can also manage your SEO settings, create email campaigns, and run social media promotions from one single dashboard. It's got built-in analytics, which helps optimize marketing spend as well as strategy, and it has omni-channel selling. So you can connect in-person and online sales within your Shopify POS. Your inventory, customer data, and your purchase history can sync across all channels for one unified commerce experience. The last thing over here is their operations and insights. So real insights, let's have a look here. Let's expand this. So you get real-time analytics. You gain deep insights into your sales records, customer behavior, marketing performance, and you have customizable reports as well as dashboards so that you can see all of your data the way you need to see it. You can also manage your stock control, access to all your channels. You can track product variants and receive low stock alerts to even optimize your inventory flow. You can also automate shipping processes with integrated label printing, diverse carrier options, and even real-time order tracking. Okay, so first we are jumping into Shopware. And Shopware is a flexible and scalable e-commerce platform, and it's delivering a more comprehensive e-commerce solution that empowers businesses to create exceptional digital shopping experiences. It is built with the flexibility at its core, and this platform really adapts to your unique business needs while still supporting growth at every single stage. Some of their features include a very modular architecture, so you can launch your store rapidly with a flexible modular system. You can customize every single aspect without any complex coding, and this will adapt as your business evolves. They have a shopping experiences builder, so they have designed stunning storefronts with an intuitive drag and drop tool. This allows you to create professional layouts without writing a single line of code. And if you are using any of their templates, this will really help you to create and not have to start from scratch or a blank canvas. They also have the AI Copilot and quote management system, so you can streamline sales processes with intelligent automation. You can manage customer quotes, and this is all done while AI is assisting you with recommendations as well as insights. The last thing over here, some of their benefits, their scalability. So this allows you to start small and grow without having any limits. It adapts from boutique stores to enterprise operations, handling increased traffic and expanding product catalogs with ease. They also offer a mobile-first shopping, so you can deliver flawless experiences across all of your devices. They have responsive storefronts that are automatically optimized for smartphones and tablets, and this also captures sales wherever customers are browsing. And there you go. The one thing that you can walk away with here is knowing that there are many options available, with each one of them having their own set of benefits. The real takeaway though is to use more than one software suite, more than one tool, and figure out what really works for you. Put it in a real life situation, a real life scenario, and actually test it for yourself. If this really was helpful, we'd appreciate dropping a like. If you like our content, you can subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next time. Peace.